Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set flashlight notifications for incoming calls on your phone Vivo Y16. First, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Go to shortcuts and accessibility here, and here select flash notifications and turn on the button against incoming calls. Now when the screen is locked, is turned off, the rear camera flash will blink when the event occurs. Okay, event means here incoming calls. Okay, just turn on this button and flashlight will get when your phone screen is turned off. Okay, see here, this is rear camera flashlight. It will glow when incoming calls, a incoming call will come. Okay, but condition is your phone screen should be turned off. Okay, so I turned off phone screen and I test it. I receive a call now. Okay, and see in the back side, yes, flashlight is glowing. Flashlight is glowing in the back side of my phone. Okay, I cut the call. What happens if screen is turned on? Screen is turned on means you are using your screen, and it will not alert with flashlight. Okay, flashlight is a alert when you are not using your phone. Okay, so now what happens? See here, screen is turned on and I make a call from another phone and I receive a call and there is no flashlight because condition is your phone screen should be turned off. Okay, if you want to have this is permanently turned off, then go to this same settings and click on shortcuts and accessibility and click on flash notifications and turn off incoming calls. Now whether your phone screen is turned on or turned off, all the time you will not get flashlight notification now. Okay, see here, it is turned off. Okay, and now I test. There should not be flashlight notification now because settings is turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily set flashlight notifications for incoming calls, or accidentally your phone has turned on the settings. You can use this video to turn off the flashlight notifications. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.